YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about Dwarkadish glory, which is the unmatched, and we all know about that. So recently the video of lightning falling on the flag of Gujarat's Dwarkadish temple went viral very fast. People considered it a miracle of Lord that even after such a severe lightning strike, the temple did not suffer any damage. Situated on the banks of river Gomti in Gujarat, this temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna. It is also known as Jagat Mandir. It is believed that it was built by Vajranab 2200 years ago. The temple is considered one of the four holy shrines of Hinduism after Puri, Rameswaram and Badrinath. The flag in Dwarkadish temple has special significance. This sacred flag is called 52-yard flag. The flag is raised here 3 times a day. Sometimes devotees have to wait for months for the flag to offered. Okay, so let's go to the point. On Tuesday, 30 July 2021, lightning struck the Dwarkadish temple in Gujarat. The incident happened around 2:30 pm. Due to this, only the 52-yard flag on the top of the temple was damaged. According to reports, the walls of the temple have turned black due to lightning, but there was no other damage. There is a dense settlement around Dwarkadish Dham. In such a situation, if the lightning had fallen in the residential area, then there could have been a big accident. However, people say that Lord Krishna saved them. According to the local people, this is the first time that a thunderstorm has occurred on the temple. The eyewitnesses said after this, the people of the administration come and they said that after such an incident, when the flag is raised, it climbs on half the cut. When lightning struck Dwarkadish, worship was going on inside. During this, a woman devotee present in the temple said that lightning struck the temple but nothing happened. We were scared. According to eyewitnesses, it was Dwarkadish who stood as the protector of the devotees. Lightning fell on the top of temple, but no one's hair was even damaged. Even the temple was not damaged in any way. Only the flag waving on the top of the temple exploded. As lightning struck the flag, people became restless. He was more concerned with hoisting the flag again than himself. The eyewitnesses present in the temple said, "We could not even imagine that it would rain so much. How to the flag would be raised?" Lightning struck. After that, a miracle happened, and after 3:30 pm, the rain was also stopped. After that, the flag was raised again. It was offered, and Dwarkadish accepted the flag. So, the point of view is we all know that Sri Krishna is exists between us. This is just a recipe given by Dwarkadish. The rest we know is with us, and his true devotees doesn't need any these types of miracle of Dwarkesh, because we know that Sri Krishna, Sri Dwarkesh always be with us. But remember, moral of the story, this incident is a blow to the mouths of the people who don't believe that Sri Krishna even today is between us, is with us. Just need to only one thing, just need to recognize them, not for search them, just recognize them. Jai Dwarkadish.